Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Everything Track, and we have some Beats Studio 3s, and we're going ahead and unbox these, and they were only $150. So let's see why these are probably the best headphones that you can buy at a decent price. On Black Friday this week and Christmas next month, I believe you should get these. So let's go ahead and unbox them and open them, and let's review them. Like I said earlier, these headphones right here are $150 and they were $300. And honestly, I think this is the best headphone that you can get for $150. I can't name one headphone except for the Marshall 4s that are pretty good. And for under $150, what else can you get that will sound like this, have active noise canceling like this, and give the attention that you probably want like these? And if you're thinking of like some JBLs or something, yes, you can find JBLs. Yes, you can find Skull Candies that are pretty good. But are they Beats Studio 3s? Will they block out noise like these? I highly doubt it. And for somebody who owns JBLs, I have the JBLs Endurance. I had JBLs before. I had tried the Marshalls before. These are way better. These Beats Studio 3s are way better. But let's go ahead and open these. And I had these before, but I want to unbox these right here. So I tried them before, but let's go ahead and show you all what they look like. So once you take this paper off, you're treated to the Beats Studio 3s, and they do have active noise cancellation. And before we even talk about that, I just want you all to know what active noise cancellation is. Basically, it's a feature that blocks out excessive noise that might bleed through your headphone cushions. So right here, it says it right there, active noise cancellation. You can turn it off or for low power mode. Batteries up to 22 hours with active noise cancellation on and 40 hours with it off. Honestly, you really don't need to use active noise cancellation with these headphones. They block out outside noise so good, so they're not even really necessary. But you have fast full 10-minute charge equals 10 hours of play. You have on-ear controls for music and calls, and you have a built-in microphone for voice. And on the back, it tells you what it comes with. It works for your iPhone, Apple TV, iPad, and Android. So if you have an Android, you don't have to worry about these if like not working. They do work. As you can see, I got the white and gold version. Over here, wireless Bluetooth headphones with carrying case. And on this side, just this Beats Studio 3. So let's go ahead and open this. Just has the B logo right there. Nothing too much, but like just information right there when you bought it on the back. Change the way you hear sound. You're gonna open this up. Here goes the Beats, guys. Very nice case. Let's put that to the side. And in here, you can either open it from right here, but there is a pull tab right here you can do as well. We'll go ahead and put that to the side. You have your little instruction manual book. Beats Apple Music, now pair of great music, try Apple Music free. Beats Studio 3s, just the instructions on how to turn. Oh, so if you all get it, I'm gonna go ahead and help you out, because at first I didn't know. I was always a guy that never really cared about using it. But turn on active noise cancellation or turn it on and off. You just double press the power button. So if you want to look through this, you can, but I'm gonna show you how to turn it on and pair it to your phone. Like I said, it's just a bunch of book stuff. You do get your Beats sticker, but just the instruction manuals and other safety product information. Some stuff you don't really need. You put that to the side. Thing it came in, you put that to the side. All right, so in here, I'm not gonna open this up because I don't want to. So I'm not gonna really open this up. But right here, this is the aux cord for people that do want to use their headphones for like. All right, so me honestly, the way I feel about this is that you don't really need an aux cord anymore, especially these days. But if you do want an aux cord, I'm going to presume the people that do use these are for people that make music or edit videos. Use the Bluetooth. They're Bluetooth headphones for a reason. You have the linear. I don't know if people really use these or not, but you do have one. And right there, you can see it says Beats if it focuses. Probably not because it's so small. There it goes. It says Beats. We're going to put that back inside. And you have the charging cable. And unfortunately, it is micro USB. These headphones came out some years ago. So this is micro USB. It's not going to be USB-C or lightning cable. So these are the only headphones that I have that actually take micro USB still. The rest don't take USB-C. So unfortunately, that is a drawback. So it's like you're going back in time. But if you don't care about that, then it really doesn't matter. And like I said before, these are very good headphones. I have tried these before, not these specifically, but I have tried Beats Studios 3s before. I have some here, and for $150, I just couldn't see passing these up. So we're gonna put these back in, and I'm gonna show you how to pair it, and we're gonna go on from there, all right? Oh, before I show you all how to pair it, I just want to show you all the white ones, what they look like. White and gold. These are beautiful. So these aren't like the Solo Pros. If you all were looking at getting Solo Pros, when you get Solo Pros and you open them, they turn on. These don't do that. Like I said, these are older, but that's what I was talking about, guys, that micro USB. But this is how you power it on. You press and hold this button. You will have the manual, and it will tell you like what the B does itself. I believe this is the right side. Yes, that's the right side. So this is the left side. As you can tell, play, pause, call, end the call, volume up, volume down. It's very self-explanatory and very easy. But these are heavy. These are over-the-ear headphones, and they do a very good job of blocking sound. But let me go get my phone and show you how to pair it up. All right, guys, we're back. Now I'm going to show you all how to pair these headphones up. So right here, like I said earlier, you get this power. You hit this power button right here. You go ahead and press it. Hopefully it has some juice in it. It's fully charged. It's pairing. On your phone, it's gonna pop up. There it goes right there. Beats Studio 3. I'm gonna press connect. It's connecting. I heard it go off, so it should be connected. There we go. At 81%. Continue. Just as Beats Studios. That's my name. And that's it. And like I said before, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you how they sound. So if you are looking for some headphones that you think are fashionable, some headphones that you would like to have personally, I think these would be the ones. Especially you don't want to spend too much money. They are $130. They look good. They sound good if you like hip hop and rap. And if you're deciding between the Beats Solo 3s, because those are $100 right now as well. Those are $100. These are $150. As somebody who has, I think I had probably 3 pairs of Beats Solo 3s. Just spend the extra $50 and get these, honestly. Just spend the extra $50 and get these. These sound way better. They block out more noise. So if you like to go to the gym and stuff, these are it. If you want to like edit music videos or music in general, or your YouTube videos, or just edit any type of videos, or if you go to college and you want to go to your study room, these are very good. And by the way, if you're wondering if these bleed out, these do not bleed out. At least from my experience, they have not ever bled out. And I play loud music, okay? I don't play too loud with these because these will hurt. That's another thing. These will hurt your ears, especially like somebody like me who has sensitive ears. These will hurt, so you don't want to play these super loud. Like, they do pretty good at the mid-range. So these, like I said, these are Beats Studio 3s, $150. I believe you should buy these. Black Friday is this week, so I don't see why you shouldn't get these. But that's gonna be it for the video. So if you like what you heard, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. All right, peace.